Hey there, I'm Martina Flor, lettering artist, author, and educator. I've helped thousands of creatives master the art of hand lettering and turn it into a fulfilling, sustainable career. In today's video, I want to help you figure out if you're ready to take the leap and go pro with your lettering. We'll walk through 5 signs that show you're not just dabbling, you're ready to step into the next stage of your creative journey. And stick around until the end because I will also share some quick next steps if you realize, yes, this is me. Deciding to go pro is a big step, but sometimes it's hard to know if you're ready. You might be waiting for permission, for a sign, or for someone to discover you. But what if you could discover that for yourself? Let's find out together. Sign number 1, you can't stop thinking about it. If lettering is always on your mind, even during your day job or downtime, that's a big clue. You find yourself sketching letters on napkins, watching tutorials, reading books about it, and dreaming about what it will be like to do this full time. This becomes the lens through which you see the world. You're not just curious, you are obsessed. And that passion is the first step toward going pro. Sign number 2, you have started building a body of work. Maybe you have been posting your work consistently on Instagram. Maybe you have done a few client projects, paid or unpaid. Or maybe you have just filled up the sketchbook or your iPad gallery. Whatever it is, you are producing work and you are seeing progress. You're feeling proud of your evolution. A key shift is when you start having the behavior of a professional. You're starting and finishing projects. You are consciously building a portfolio. You are intentionally producing work. That is not a hobbyist. That's someone taking it seriously. Sign number 3, you are getting noticed. People are starting to comment, wow, you should sell this. Can I hire you? Maybe a friend asks you to do a wedding signature or a small business wants a logo. Even if it's informal, that's real validation. That's the market responding to your work. You are finding what I call the overlap between the work you love doing and what people demand from you. And that's an indication that you can monetize the work you do and make a living with it, which is what pros do. Sign number 4, you have outgrown hobby-level tools. You have moved beyond just dabbling. You have invested in brushes, iPads, Procreate, Adobe Illustrator. You are interested in design, in spacing, in composition. When you are investing in tools and education, you are subconsciously making a bet for it because you don't invest in things that you think go nowhere. By investing money into something, you often invest yourself into it as well. You care about refining your craft. You're no longer just playing, you are developing skills. Sign number 5, you are asking business questions. You're no longer just asking, how do I draw this letter? You're asking, how much should I charge? How do I get clients? How do I license my work? That's a mindset shift. That's the moment you start stepping into the role of a creative professional. And let me tell you that oftentimes it's a mindset thing that holds you back from going pro because you may feel that your work is not quite ready yet. But I want to tell you that you can monetize your work at any stage of your journey. This is why a key change has to do with you, with believing you are a pro. I always say, behave like a pro even before being a professional. That means that the attitude needs to come first. So now it's your turn. Did you see yourself in one or more of these signs? Then it's time to get serious. Now, going pro doesn't mean quitting your job tomorrow. It means starting to behave like a pro now. You show your work, you build a portfolio, you find a mentor, you learn the skills. And if you're ready for that, then you are in the right place. And remember that I have created a free guide called Lettering Success Secrets. It answers the most frequently asked questions about turning your lettering into a career. You can download it for free on martinaflor.com/guide. There's a link below that you can click and get it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. Leave me a comment. Which sign resonated with you the most? Are you ready to go pro with your lettering? I will see you in the next video.